Hello everyone. In this demo video, we will be discussing about Architect. Architect is a tool where user can make their own strategies and can also know about the option Greek and payoff chart. Clicking on the Architect, by default Nifty will come along with the nearest expiry and with the at the money option. User can change to the desired index or stock and can also select desired expiry. We will be taking monthly expiry for this demo video. User can change the instrument type, that is future or option, strike price and type of the option. Then can select buy or sell and can add quantity and save. Now as we can see, the upper part of the screen shows the detail about option of future leg and the lower part gives payoff chart. For example, let's take bull call spread strategy. We already have a buy position. We will add a new leg selling 11,650 call option having monthly expiry and selecting sale and save. User can add up to 10 leg to an strategy. Now we can see on the top right it shows the debit amount of the strategy, and clicking on the I button give the complete details about combined Greek of all the legs and Greek of each leg. Moving towards the downside of the screen, it shows the payoff chart of the strategy. Yellow line is a fair price. Fair price is nothing, it's just synthetic future, that is strike plus call minus put. It gives the better idea of option trader and their market view. Blue line shows the market expectation range. It is based on an option data. The green line on the chart shows the lower and upper standard deviation. The red line indicates second level standard deviation. Orange dark line shows the expiry payoff and the dark white line indicate payoff as on present day. Moving ahead, user can have the idea about payoff at different day by moving the day slider as going towards the expiry. Suppose user want to know payoff after 10 days, that can be done by sliding the slider to 10. User can also change the IV according to their expectation and can know the payoff at different day and with the expected IV. User can also see payoff table wise, can also see the chart on full screen. Thank you.